In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Outlook 2010 calendar into Google Calendar. Whether you're making a switch or just need seamless syncing between these two platforms, we've got you covered with a detailed step-by-step guide. To start, you'll first want to head over to your Outlook calendar. Simply open your browser and navigate to the Outlook calendar webpage. Once you're on the page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Calendar. Once you're in the calendar settings, look for the Shared Calendars option, which is usually listed on the left-hand pane. Click on that, and then you'll see another option saying Select a Calendar. Go ahead and click there. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. In this drop-down, you need to select the specific calendar you'd like to export. It's important to choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Next, look for the permissions settings. Here, you'll want to select Can View All Details. This setting will allow your Google Calendar to access all necessary details from your Outlook calendar. After confirming the permissions, the next button to click is Publish. This is crucial as it generates the link you'll need to move over to Google Calendar. You will see an HTML option. Click on that to expose the link, and then simply click Copy to get this link ready for the next steps. Now that you have the link copied, let's move over to Google Calendar. Open a new tab and go to the Google Calendar webpage. Once there, look for the option to Add Other Calendars found typically on the bottom left-hand side. Click on From URL. At this stage, paste the URL that you copied from your Outlook calendar. Lastly, click on Add Calendar. This action will integrate your Outlook calendar into Google Calendar, and shortly you'll see your events syncing over. And there you have it. Your Outlook 2010 calendar is now successfully imported into Google Calendar. Remember, this process doesn't delete or alter your Outlook calendar, so you can always view or revert to your original settings if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy scheduling!